teman-teman, kali ini aku mau nyanyi lagu I Like You So Much. Lagu ini kuncinya C, A minor, E minor, F, G. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe ya channel ini. Bye-bye. I like your shirt, I like your finger, love the way that you smell. To be your favorite jacket, just so I could always be near. I love you for so long, sometimes it's hard to bear, but after all this time, I hope you wait and see. Love you every minute, every second. Love you everywhere and any moment. Always and forever, I know I can't quit you, 'cause baby, you're the one. I don't know how. Love you till the last of snow disappear. Love you till a rainy day becomes clear. Never knew love like this. Now I can't let go. I'm in love with you, and now you know. To be your favorite jacket, just so I could always be there. I love you more.